Sejin here. Midjourney does it again with a new tool called Vary, which allows users to engage in inpainting, a process that edits elements within the image. This would be the opposite of the custom zoom out function or panning, where you're adding elements outside of the image canvas. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the new Vary tool. So if you like this sort of content, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right in. The Vary feature gives users the ability to select specific portions of an image and modify them using text prompts. Users can select a part of the image and use a prompt to transform it. The tool also offers the capability to add elements, a process known as inpainting in other tools. Let's start this off with a simple open field at a 3:2 aspect ratio. Here's a prompt I used to generate this scenery. We're going to go with the second scenery since I need the open space. Now to activate the Vary tool, you need to upscale the image, so I'll click the U2 button. Now that it's upscaled, click the Vary button. The image window will pop up where the magic will begin. So you have two options. You can use the square marquee tool or you can use the lasso tool for extra precision when selecting an area. I'm going to start off with the square marquee and highlight a big portion of the center image. Now I'll delete the text prompt and type in giant tall alien ship and hit enter. Midjourney will start working its magic. And boom, all the alien ships look like they belong in the scene and the lighting is perfect. This is kind of hard, but I think I'll go with number 2. So I'll hit the U2 button. Now hit Vary. I'll use the lasso tool now to select a specific part of the area where I want to inpaint my city. I'll change the prompt to distant city on fire and hit enter. Okay, looks good. I'll go with number 3 and hit the U3 button. Now hit the Vary button. Here again, I want to use the lasso tool to precisely select an area where I want to add more alien ships. I'll add the prompt many alien ships coming down from a distance. Okay, not too bad, but I think I'll go with the second one. So let me upscale that and hit the Vary button. Now I'm going to switch it up to the square marquee tool so I can add a crowd of people running from the alien ship. I'll change the prompt to a crowd of people running away. Only one of the image makes sense, and obviously it's number 2. I don't think anyone in their right mind will be running towards a group of alien ships. Overall, the simplicity of the process makes it fun and exciting. I think this will definitely change the way people will generate their images. But before I end this video, I just want to do something to the image. I'm going to change the alien ship into a Barbie colored alien ship. Let's see how this comes out. Okay, that came out interesting. The alien ships have now been Barbie-fied. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.